Hi, in this video, I will show you how to install a wall decal using the center hinge method. Position the decal on the wall, tape on all four corners. Then place a long strip of masking tape across the middle of the design. This will serve as your center hinge. I recommend this center hinge method for large designs. We will now begin to transfer the decal on the wall. Slowly peel the white backing paper away from one side. The vinyl should stick to the transfer film on top. Cut the white backing paper as you go for easier handling. Continue peeling until you reach the center hinge. If a section of the decal remains on the backing paper, carefully lay the transfer film back over the decal, push it down with your fingers, and try to peel it back again. Just take your time. The center hinge. We are now ready to stick the design on the wall. Using your hand or a credit card, start from the center and use a smooth and firm motion to stick the decal onto the wall. Slowly work your way from the center to the outer edge of the decal. Remember to work from the center outward to avoid air bubbles. Remove the long piece of tape and repeat the process on the other side. I personally find it easier to peel the white backing paper, so I would flip the design on the other side so I could work easily with the backing paper. If the design remains on the white backing paper, press it back, fold it a little, and try peeling again. It also helps to peel at an angle. This really takes patience, but I tell you the results are worth it in the end. It also helps if you have someone to help you install this. have fully removed the white backing paper, we are now ready to stick the bottom part of the design on the wall. Begin again at the center and work your way outwards. I'm just using my hand here to flatten the sticker on the wall, but it is better to use a credit card or a squeegee. It is also easier if somebody can assist you on this part. We are almost done, but not quite done yet. We still have one last step to do. The decal is now on the wall, but the transfer film is still covering it. Let us peel off the transfer film. Begin at one of the top corners and slowly peel the film down onto itself and away from the decal. Be careful not to peel the film away at the 45 or 90-degree angle, as this will pull the decal away from the wall. If any part of the decal begins to come off the wall, stop and rub the transfer film back down on that section with your credit card or fingers until that portion of the decal adheres. And we're done! It's time to relax and enjoy your work. Have a lovely day, everyone. Thanks for watching.